Ever wondered what Bitcoin really is? Let's break it down. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency that has radically transformed our understanding of money. It's not controlled by any institution, government, or individual. Instead, it operates on a network of computers worldwide, making it borderless and neutral. It was created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto and launched in 2009. Nakamoto's vision was to create a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This means you can send and receive Bitcoin transactions directly, without needing a third party like a bank. The transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography, and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin was the first example of what we now call cryptocurrencies, digital assets designed to work as a medium of exchange. So, Bitcoin is not just a digital coin, it's a revolution in our financial system. The Bitcoin halving, a mysterious event that could make you a millionaire. But what does it mean? Well, let's break it down. At its core, the Bitcoin halving is a built-in feature of the Bitcoin blockchain, designed to control the flow of new Bitcoins into the market. It's a scheduled event that happens roughly every 4 years, and when it does, the rewards for Bitcoin miners are cut in half, hence the name halving. Now, why is this so important? Well, think of it this way. Halving reduces the supply of new Bitcoins, which can lead to an increase in demand, and potentially, the price. It's a bit like a digital gold rush where scarcity can drive value. But it's not just about the potential for price hikes. The halving also emphasizes the finite nature of Bitcoin, reinforcing its status as digital gold. As you can see, the Bitcoin halving is a significant event with huge implications for investors. Now that we understand Bitcoin and its halving, how can you potentially become a millionaire in the next halving? Well, first, think long-term. Investing in Bitcoin isn't about quick wins, it's about believing in the technology and its potential for growth over time. So, buy and hold. Second, don't forget to diversify your portfolio. While Bitcoin is the star of the show, there are other promising cryptocurrencies out there. Look for projects with solid fundamentals and robust use cases. Third, stay educated. The crypto space is constantly evolving, and keeping up with trends, news, and technological advancements is crucial. Lastly, consider investing in promising crypto projects directly. Participate in staking or mining if you have the resources. It can be a profitable venture and another way of diversifying your investment strategy. With these strategies in mind, you could be on your way to becoming a cryptocurrency millionaire. But wait, investing in cryptocurrencies is not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about the risks. Cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are known for their high volatility. Prices can surge to the skies one moment and plunge into the depths the next. This roller coaster ride can be thrilling, but it can also lead to significant losses if you're not careful. It's like sailing on a stormy sea. Exciting, but fraught with dangers. You need to be prepared to weather the storms. That's why it's crucial to do your own research before diving in. Understand the market dynamics, follow the news, and stay informed. More importantly, have a solid risk management strategy. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, diversify your investments, and consider setting stop losses to limit potential losses. While the upcoming Bitcoin halving offers exciting opportunities, it's important to stay informed and manage your risks effectively.